say?
Toes.
What did you just say?
Toes.
What did Logie just do?
He
What did Logie do?
threw up.
He threw up. Logie! Logie! Hey, Logan! He didn't throw up. He's just eating food for the first time. Here, buddy. Come here. Come here. He just doesn't know how to really swallow yet. He's just getting the feel of it. Hi! How do you like your dinner? Is it good? How do you like your dinner, Hayde?
It's good.
What are you eating?
Ravioli.
Good. And what's Logan eating?
Daddy, Mama.
Daddy's in the shower.
Huh?
He's lucky. It's his second shower today. Mommy hasn't had one. Good job, Logie! Good job, Hayden!